Before jacking the front end of a Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, we are going to block the rear tire so it will not roll. Then we will find the black triangles in the lower trim. These indicate the location of the pinch welds where we want to place our jack stands. Here's a shot of that pinch weld from a different angle where you're going to place that jack stand. Now the floor jack is going to be placed nearby, but if we go underneath past the pinch weld, we're going to that subframe member right there. That is where we are going to place the floor jack and lift. Now I will slide that floor jack into place, and I've got a piece of wood just so I don't scratch the subframe member, and I will hoist it up. Once we have the Jeep frame high enough, we can slide our jack stand into place, and I'm going to place some folded burlap onto the top of it. You can get a pinch weld adapter for your jack stands. I'll put a link in the description to these parts, but this is what the left side looks like. Moving over to the right side, we're going to repeat the same process. I'm putting my jack underneath the subframe, again using a piece of wood. Once I get it high enough, I will slide my jack into place and then put the heavy burlap on top of it so I don't scratch that pinch weld. Here you can see I am lowering the jack in the car slowly to make sure I center that pinch weld in the middle of that jack stand. Now I will leave the jack in place, but I will put the arm up so it's out of the way. And here you can see what that pinch weld looks like centered on the jack stand. Now before you start working on your car, make sure you give it a good push and nudge to make sure it's stable. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.